Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because in this video I'm going to be going over how to braid. Now braiding holds a special place in my heart because that's where my hair journey began. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Today I am super excited to show you how to do a cornrow, also known as a Dutch braid. Now, Lyric is rocking a French braid going up the back of her head, but for today's tutorial I will be demonstrating a Dutch braid since that seems to be the most common. I will also be explaining the difference between the two. My goal in this tutorial is to simplify braiding for you in a way that will help you in your braiding journey. Now, before you even begin to start braiding the hair, you want to have the hair stretched. This will make it so much easier for you as a beginner to manage the hair. Here's what you will need to prepare the hair for braiding. Lyric has freshly washed and conditioned hair. One side is stretched and the other side is still in its natural state. You can see the difference in length. You want to use a good detangling brush and start from the ends and work your way up the hair. After each section is detangled using a good detangling brush, then you can start to blow dry the hair. My blow dryer has a comb attachment, which I highly recommend, and I also recommend using a medium heat setting when blow drying the hair. Be mindful of heat damage. This comb attachment just makes going through the hair so much easier for you, and it will just speed up the process of blow drying. We're going to start in the middle back section of the head. This is a good place to practice. Using your 2 fingers, you're going to measure out about 1 inch of hair. As you get to the nape area, you want to make that parting a little bit more narrow because the nape of the neck is more narrow. This is a great place to practice braiding. And so for the beginning, we're going to measure out with our fingers, our pinky finger, about 1/4 inch of hair. And once you get that measured out, you want to divide those pieces into 3. I'm right-handed, so I keep 2 pieces in my right hand and 1 in my left. And I strongly suggest if you are left-handed that you start with your 2 pieces in your left hand. So we're just basically going to be passing hair from one hand to the other. So you're going to start with the outer hair, pass it to your left, and then pass to your right. Again, we're going to pass the outer hair from right to left, and then from left to right. Pass to my left, now I'm passing to my right. Pass to your left, pass to your right. You're always passing the outer piece of hair. Again, 3 pieces. This time we're going to choke up a little bit, get closer to the scalp. That'll make the braid tighter. Pass to the left, pass to the right. Again, passing to the right. Now I'm going to pass to my left. Pass to my right. Pass to my left. Now I have 2 pieces in my left hand, 2 pieces in my right, and keep that motion all the way down the head. We're going to move on to the next braid. Again, 2 finger spaces apart for your sectioning. We're going to use our pinky to section out that 1/4 inch of hair to start. And again, I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna have my 2 pieces in my right hand and 1 in my left. And you want those pieces to be even. Again, we're gonna start with the outer hair and pass from left to right and left to right, right to left. So you can see I have 2 pieces in my right. Now I have 2 pieces in my left. And you're always passing the outer hair from left to right and right to left. The closer on the scalp, the tighter the braid. The further away from the scalp, the looser the braid. That's how you control your tension. Again, my 3 pieces of hair, I have my 2 pieces in my right hand, and I'm going to pass that outer piece from right to left. And then that left side is going to go back to my right. My 3 pieces, there it goes, from right to left and left to right. Again, section out your 3 pieces using your finger or your comb with your pinky. Make those 3 pieces as evenly as you can. And I'm gonna pass from right to left the outer piece, and then again from left to right. You can apply a little bit of pressure on the scalp. Not too much pressure, because you don't want the braids too tight or you don't want to make your child uncomfortable. So I'm going to do that one more time just so you can get a good look at it. And the more you practice, you guys, the better you'll get. The more comfortable. You just have to find your rhythm. You have to find your finger placement and do what you feel comfortable. So we're going to section those 3 pieces out. And I'm going to pass that outer piece from right to left, and then again from left to right. We're passing the outer piece back and forth. This here is a Dutch braid. This is the most common type of braid. If you were to pass the hair underneath itself, you would have a flat braid like the one in the beginning of this tutorial. That's how Lyric's hair is right in the beginning of this tutorial. So I'm gonna do a braid on the side just to show you one last time. Again, sectioning out those 3 pieces evenly. The hair around here is a little finer, so I am mindful of the tension, especially around this area. You definitely want to be mindful of that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, blessings.